Hello everybody, and thanks for sticking around. Now, I know that you stuck around because you enjoyed the video and it really hit something within you and you would like to see more material like this. Well, if that's the case, then I would like to ask you to consider subscribing to me on my Patreon account. Now, I will leave a link in the description below, and you don't have to pledge that much, maybe just $1, $2, or $3 a month, but I not only make videos, but I'm also an author. I have 5 great books that are available at Heinessight.com. So if you would like to consider supporting me in that respect, then not only would you be supporting me, but you'd also be getting some awesome books. And what I would like to do eventually is be one of the greatest authors in the United States. But I'm competing with major publishers, and it's very difficult, and you have to have money to do that in order to be able to produce more material. So I have many books in the works, but I just don't have the funding, and if I don't have funding, then I have to go back and find some other way to bring in money. So please consider a donation to my Patreon account, or just go ahead and buy a couple of my great books. You'll love them, and I'm sure you'll come back to buy the rest of the collection. I'm Matthew Heines. Thank you for your donation.